how to place an order on Alibaba. So first open the Alibaba app on your Android device. Then your home screen should look something like this. First, choose a product that you would like to buy, then tap on it. Then you'll see two options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on Start Order, which is on the far right. Here you can choose all the payment methods, the total cost of the product, and you can also select the quantity. So after you've selected all the options, simply tap on Pay Now. Then you should enter your card number, the CVV, and all the information that Alibaba asks you to fill. Then you can simply tap on Confirm. And it is that easy. This is how you can place an order on Alibaba. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.